First off, I'd like to say this video is not sponsored by Vivosun. They were kind enough to give me a little discount because I ordered a couple of them and I promised to make a video, but once again, this is not a sponsored video. If you want to help support this channel, you can check out the Amazon links below or simply like and comment on the video. As well, if you really want to help support, I have a Patreon now. Again, links are below.
Hello there, ACMPR Grows here. Do you use fans like this in your grow tent? I sure did. You know why? Because they're everywhere. They're pretty darn cheap. They do the job. They oscillate. You can change the speeds. They don't take up a whole lot of room, but they do take up room. One of these takes up approximately the square footprint that a whole plant could take up. Yeah, a pot is bigger, but you get the point. It's taking up valuable real estate in your tent. It's cumbersome. I find myself always this thing getting in the way. Anyway, I got a brand new piece of technology I ordered. It just came out. It's barely on the market. The Vivosun clip on a pole in tent oscillating fan. I know it's a big mouthful. Anyway, let's just show you without further ado here. Let's show you the brand new technology. Ooh. What's in the box, man? What's in the box? I'll tell you what's in the box. Some fans. More boxes. Super cool, brand new fans from Vivosun. I'm very excited to test these bad boys out. Oh, they're in parts. But what's going on with these? First off, it's got a very unique new clamp that clamps onto the, ooh man, that's got some force on it. And some foam rubber. Oh yeah, that'll be a good one in there. Clamps into the tents. Okay, give me a second and I'll have it put together. Okay, now to assemble it, it only comes with a couple of pieces. It comes with the nut, the little washer, the screw, the base, and the fan. Now I did find one thing. I found this centered piece a little bit free spinningly loose. It's just an Allen key on the inside, and then you hold it tight, the Allen key, and turn it the other way to tighten it a bit. And I only had to turn it about a half a key, and now it feels nice and snug. Anyway, to set this up, pardon me if I fumble this all, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. But you want obviously the claspy part pointing backwards. And you want to stick this washer in there. And we're going to go through, once we can get that. Come on, where's the hole, man? There we go. And then we're going to back that out just a little bit. We're going to drop that nut right in there. Use our thumb and then start twisting that. I don't know if you can see that very well. Like that. There we go. Yeah, it's biting. See? And because it's got you don't even need tools for that. I did need a tool to fix this one bolt a little bit. Yours may or may not be nice and snug. Mine was a little bit on the loose side. All right. There we go. I set both of them up, and actually this one was nice and snug, whereas this one was a little loose. So like I said, they might be just fine when you get them, yours. Mine was just maybe got shook up in the shipping. No big deal. As long as it turns on, we're okay, right? So it's got two settings. It's got low. Ooh, low's pretty got quite a blow on it for being just low. And then high. Oh. This is kind of funny. Check this out. I'm not bashing this or anything, but number 1 is high and number 2 is low. That's kind of funny. So it goes off, high, low. That's actually kind of common, but to have the number 1 be the high one and 2 the low one's a little bit funny. But here's where these things are gonna shine. Let me get this one out of the way so you can see what's going on. This is where I think this is really cool. It's oscillating. So you can mount that up in your system somewhere, get it on a weird angle, tighten that right up, and like that, hanging from the ceiling, and it will oscillate and blow on your plants wherever you need it to point. I think this is pretty cool. This is actually really cool. Maybe a little costly. I'll put the links below. You can check it out for yourself. I think I'm gonna like this. If you want to follow the channel, you'll be able to see how well they last long term, but I'm pretty excited to test these out. Alright, so the plan is I have a big ugly floor tower fan taking up space in my tent. This big, huge thing coming out of the tent. And I'm going to replace it with just one of these. Away it goes. I like it a lot. That's going to be a huge space saver. Look at it go. Oh my. As I said, links are below. Like the video and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content, and if you want to see this thing in action and see how well it works. I'll tell you, good or bad. If this thing works good, I'll tell you. If it sucks, I will tell you. Anyway, folks, cheers, and I'll talk to you real soon.